It's spelling time. We're moving merrily along today. Okay, both Joshua and I are a little bit sleepy from a little bit, not a little bit, a lot of activity yesterday. That's all they could put it down to. Yeah, he here yawning, and I tell you, I was feeling drowsy at work today, you know? Good thing I didn't have anybody around. I wasn't falling asleep, I was just feeling drowsy. Alright, we got big words, mostly big words for Joshua Boo Boo. As always, he's capable. He's going to listen and just take his time and break down the big words. Export. Export. You know me looking and telling him.
E-X-P-O-R-T.
Excellent. Woo, woo. Perspective. Perspective. It was a big word. Purr is P-E-R, purr, but you know P-U-R is also purr, like a cat. Purr, purr, purr. But this one is P-E-R, purr, right? As in percentage, per month, per day, whatever. So P-E-R, purr, and the rest of the word is spective. Spec, like spectacles, spec, or a speck of dust. Spec. S-P-E-C. He said K, once again, perfectly fine. Both letters have that ek sound. Now give me tiv. Tiv. T-I-V-E. That was a great one. He getting big things to challenge him because he has a big brain and a big capability. Okay? That's how we roll it out here. Domestic. Domestic. Excellent. Don't go any further. He thought he was going to say CK. There's no K. Excellent.
I know I was going to say K.
Because T-A-C-K is take, like if you're ticking. Oh, yeah, auntie. Auntie, know what's going on. Reflect. Reflect. R-E-F-L-E-C-T. He just missed out that C. Reflect. Like I see my reflection in the mirror, right? Outcome. Outcome.
O-U-T-C-O-M-E.
Excellent. Industry. Industry. Or industry. Industry. Merino. R-Y. And then that part would have been tricky, right? R-Y. It's going really well. Million. 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 A million reasons to love Joshua. Huh? A million things that Joshua's got at. Oh, yes. A million ways to have fun with auntie. Million. Let somebody got the book scroll up though. Million. Uh-huh.
L,
Uh-huh.
I,
Mm-hmm.
O,
Excellent, excelente, excelente, excelente. Demand, demand.
D, E, M, A, N,
Man, da, 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 da.
D,
D. Uh-huh. Concern, concern.
C, O, N, S, O, R, N,
C-O-N, con, C-E-R-N, cern, concern. Right? That's okay. This is a big one, a biggie, biggie. International. That big. We can take it in pieces.
I, N,
Inter.
T, E, R,
Na.
N, A,
Mm-hmm. Shun. Remember what I tell you about when we hear shun, it is normally the SH. It's normally be T-I-O-N. So give me shun.
T, I,
Al.
A, L,
Excellent. Perfect. Shipmate. Shipmate.
Where did I see this one before?
We had this another time already. But get perfectly right, Starboy. You remember because he into shapes.
O,
You can't get it wrong. I said you had it already. And you can't get it wrong because you had it already. Ship.
S,
S-H.
S, H, I,
Mm-hmm. Ship.
P,
Uh-huh. Mate.
M, E, N, T.
Excellent, yeah. He's a shipping boy. And the last word is amid. Easy. Mid. That means like between. I haven't been given the meanings of the word really, but nevertheless.
Double A,
Just one A. A. Mid. Ma. Mid.
N, E, D.
It's MID. That one was a bit challenging. So you see, sometimes the short words can be more challenging than the big words, because there's only 4 letters. So he did great in his spelling. Great. When I tell you great, he did great. Now we're gonna have puzzle time, and then there'll be some grammar, and then more fun time. Because we must always have balance. We just want wacky. I know we done sleepy already, right? So we're gonna have our puzzle time now. Okay? Okay?